I'm quite often asked, how does dowelmax cope with thicker boards and wider boards? An example of that might be something like this table leg, where you want to dowel for the stretchers in the top. And this is 100mm by 100mm, and what I want to do is to inset the dowels by about half an inch from the, or 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the leg. And it's quite simple. All we do is configure the dowelmax using the spacers so that we're insetting it from the edge of the board, from the edge of the leg, using the 3/4 inch spacers here, and then we insert the 40mm spacer to give us the distance across the leg. It's as simple as that. It takes a couple of seconds. So let's have a look at it. So all we do is line the dowelmax up with the top of the leg. It's nice and flush. Tighten the clamps and drill our holes. And flick the work around. Flush up again. And drill. And that's the machining of the leg completed. Took about a minute. Now, by adjusting the position of the spacers and the size of the spacers, you can position the holes anywhere you want across the face of the work. So, including the time it took me to configure the dowelmax and fit the spacers, it took me 10 minutes to drill the holes for the 8 joints and the 4 table legs that are going to make up this table. No measuring, no marking, and every joint will fit perfectly. It really is difficult to see another piece of equipment that can do the job as well as the dowelmax can. Thanks for watching.